Shalom and welcome to 2 Minutes of Torah. This year is entitled, Does a Believing Jew Believe in Nature? Parshat Beraishit is a great time to ask the question. We just read it a few days ago, started the new cycle, and we read about the creation of the world. And it's the Parsha of science, astronomy, physics, biology, botany, you name a science, it's in this week's Parsha. And there's some who say that the focus on this parsha is not Torah. That's not even mentioned yet. That's later on. Focus is on science and nature, and we should appreciate and love the God behind nature. It's the same God behind the Torah. And a person has a mitzvah of Avat Hashem when they appreciate science, nature, and see the God behind all of it. So the answer is yes, we believe in the system of nature. And of course, we know the same God created nature could suspend nature at times. How often that happens is a good question. The Rambam leaned against it. He loved the system of nature and didn't want it to be suspended and just assume everything's a miracle. There's a system of nature that he maintains and wills to maintain, and he may suspend it at times. Yet there is, to me, an earth-shattering Rav Dessler in the first volume of Mechtav Eliyahu, where he says there is no such thing as Teva. It's all a mistake. And it's only because we're used to seeing it happen. That's why we believe there's Teva, there's nature. So if you go ahead and put a seed in the ground, it's going to rot and then sprout. What if you see a person in the ground? He rots and then he comes back to life. So the first thing you're going to call nature. Second thing you're going to call Tchias HaMesim, the greatest of miracles. And Rav Dessler says, no, it's all the same. One you're used to, one you're not. There's a lot to analyze here regarding Rav Dessler's, to me, tremendous chiddush. And I think there's huge ramifications to this Rav Dessler. And Amir Hashem, we're going to learn and analyze Rav Dessler and see what possible ramifications may have come about in the last half century since what I consider to be a groundbreaking idea, which I don't think is simple at all. Amir Hashem will continue on this series. Shalom.